That.
That there. Oh, they. Oh.
Yeah, them look at something there.
Oh, they can like join your team. Like they.
Okay,
But I
okay.
don't know about live reading. I just know basics.
Bless up in a Gaza nation. I don't know, you know. My first live.
Yes, people. So by now you know say the world boss free, and in other video I see say my vibe and him just alright, you know, him just live it up right, you know. Him did lock up for a while, 13 years. So the man I ease back and I relax, you know. So in the meantime, man, I'll drop new music already. That me I tell you now. So the album drop, yeah, first week out, and me I listen it now. Now I tell no lie for the last 3 days, and the album alright. Some of the song them already are up on airplay, but some of the song them new. So we are getting on the review. Watch this. Yes, people. So Vybz Kartel never waste no time. Soon as him exit the prison cell, seem like the man does work on an album same time in the studio and drop a new album called First Week Out. Now the First Week Out album is decent. It's a pretty decent album. Most of the songs are already released and I probably you listened to at some point. You heard the song already, but he does have a few new songs on the album. I've been listening to this album now for the last 3 days since it released, and I have to tell you, pretty decent album by Vybz Kartel. First song off of the album is Feel Great. It's really an intro, not really a song. Then we have number 2, which we not do, The Menace. Then we have Terror by Night, Unstoppable, Skillful. Skillful is a song by Vybz Kartel and Squash. That's number 5. And number 6 is Adi the King. No, say you must hear that one there already. Number 7 is Giant featuring Squash. That's probably one of my favorite songs on the album. Number 8 is Victorious. Number 9 is Beat Them Bad. Another big smash, right? You must hear that one there already too. Number 10 is Win. Number 11 is Success Story. And the last song on the album is number 12, which is number 1. Like that one there too. Yeah, so the album is a good album, you know. I'm cool and listen it, just like the world boss right now, I'm gonna spliff and I relax. But yeah, the album alright, man. 4 out of 5 star me that give it. And you know the man they are road there now, you don't know, support the album, go and go stream it. The man they are road right now, I spend time with him kids them, you know, with him 2 sons them. And you know, it's a lot of time that was missing that him probably I try to build back right now, you know, try for all a little meds. Cause you don't know, you know. You can't just go a road. Sometimes you have to be here with your family. So you have to go. Yes, man. And then now, you know, your friends, the people them will stick by you from day one, you know. It's scarce to find real friends out there. So when you find people in your corner, you definitely have to kind of show your appreciation, and you know, it's a good look. It's a real good look. So it's nice to see everything I come together for the world boss and the man giant TikTok right, you know, and TikTok I go crazy. You see me? Yeah, man, TikTok I go crazy. Hopefully him still make him music, you know, because me know so some people make a good living on TikTok, and you know, for tell you the truth, me just want some good dancehall music, you know, me just want to listen some music, you know. More just my ears just hear music a thump out. You get me? But yes, man, good for see the man a vibe and thing and they are road again. What do you think about the whole thing? You think say the man just go be a TikTok, you know, or what? You think say more music coming our way? You know, what do you think? What do you think about that? I'm like saying I subscribe, so keep subscribing and keep liking the videos and sharing, alright? Respect, go and big up on yourself.